Y'all, this is reality. Okay, I'm telling you something. It is not easy to go out and shop with Kim. One time he used to easy, but me don't know what happened to him over.
You in a top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
What's going on, people? Welcome back to another excited vlog. You know, I'm Kem. You know, say it's been a while. Okay, you see me in like challenges or like few little short clip videos that Rock do. Right, but you know, I'm here going to the supermarket because we want some food in the morning, and then we run out of gas. So we have two things to do, and me can't stand the hungriness because I'm always hungry. I always want something to eat. You don't know, you go. If you're a real Jamaican yard man, or you know, Jamaican husband, you don't know anything. Who are strong up your body. You see me? So you can see me not really have no muscle because I now work out recently. I just be a yard strong on computer. I'm supposed to get fat, but I'm not the type of boy who still don't get fat. I have to work hard to get fat. I mean, I do nothing, so I get maga. Yeah, so just have to make a small circle down in the DBA town. You know, so I see DBA vlogs more already, but still have to do it. Alright, so my conclusion is that nobody nowadays, you can't get sick again, you know. There's no original sickness. You can't have flu, you can't sneeze. This a morning. Right? So, right now my sinus are bother me right now. I mean, no, say 100%. The people are going to say a corona or some form of government illness may have. But I don't say it still. If you don't believe you have government illness, spam the comment and let me know.
Hi guys, I have one story time. So last night, me well nice up to me go fry up some fish and do some banana and dumpling and yam because my grandfather didn't carry banana and yam can't give me. And my auntie give me fish, so I have a fish in the fridge. So girl thaw out the fish and everything, you never scale or anything, you know, so I have to scale it, I have to gut it and all of them something there so you know all the things that I got you a whole lot. Two choose my dad I need my flour already. I peel my banana. In the process of peeling the yam, you know, you water the pan fire go and bubble. Put in my banana and thing or whatever. Oh, this is the pot now bubble again. Right. When me check the gas done. You can imagine the gas done for me nice dinner. When me plan out, if you know me hungry right now, I had to resort the girl of quick pan her feet. Girl have a quick pan her feet and steam the fish. It wasn't the bombest steamed fish ever, but it was good. We always have crackers. If you don't watch the last video, you don't know me I talk about in an iCard up here. So.
Alright guys, so Rock and I, we just made it to the supermarket.
And we have one argument already. Because Kim just true.
So, you hear the thing? Why you should say argument? So, Sunday, Rakisha did that, the sweet and sour chicken. However,
If you have not seen that video, just don't walk away.
so the sweet and sour chicken. So she buy one of the ingredients was pine, but she went and she bought the thin pine, right? So I asked her why you never buy the pine, as in real pine, and squeeze it. So she tell me say the blender now work, so therefore she can't get to blend if you get the juice from it. Which me understand, but at the end of the day, she work on losing weight, right?
I ain't working on nothing.
She try to lose weight,
In
people. In our workout, but she try to lose weight. So the best thing for her is to just buy the pine, the original pine, and use her hand and squeeze it.
Alright, Mama said me never did before. I didn't hear me saying that because the ingredients are canned pineapple. So maybe make sure I get it canned pineapple because we never wanted it to spoil and actually come out good. It not come out good.
But it come out good, but my thing was you could have buy the pine and use your hand and squeeze it. And work off some of my fat.
Alright. But I'm embarrassed.
I'm not embarrassed. Very embarrassing.
The first thing he come in, I come say with him loud mouth. You know what? Take off really fast.
But me not. You feel
You're
embarrassed?
embarrassing.
I say, you feel embarrassed.
Yes, because you say it loud and everybody could not hear. You could not feel as.
Alright, so I'm a video man today, Rakisha, going to take up stuff. So, I do this video. Alright, so I actually flip around the camera. Rakisha go like do the shopping and take up stuff. So I'm going to be the person now who ensures that she no pass the limit of the money because
Man, good.
she's a hard spender.
I spend wisely.
Oh, the flash is on.
Sometimes.
Hold on.
Sometimes, can't say that much. I spend wisely.
Well, they spend very, very hard. She come like some Bigfoot man, we just walk heavy. Boof, 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 we can't control it. So, besides supermarket, what type of things?
I have my list.
See aisle.
I got my list. My list don't long to them. I have my list, it is not long. See? One little list. Make sure I have to write it down because so many times we come in here and forget. I'm going to stick with my list today. Come, bread.
So, see your bread. So, quick go bread aisle. See bread aisle. Alright, if I come to them place, you have to take up like one. Like, me feel like me that long time in a bulla. 620 left for this. Hey, more on this, you know, we have a.
Let me tell you something. I have one list.
Is that 500 left for me?
I have no money for you, Kim.
Where my 500 there? More than 500 down.
You love attention, not true?
Excuse me.
Come on, family.
So, you can get me 500 down?
I have one list and Bulla is not a part of it.
Mr. Have pen? This right, Bulla?
Bulla is not a part of this list.
You serious?
Don't come to me. Make people see me handwriting, but see there. I can't spell too, so.
Yeah, right, good. Strike like crap to people.
Crackers. Take out my crackers because
Oh.
you know we love the crackers.
Crackers.
It's them there.
Which crackers me want?
Big one. No, but we came, the bill say crackers.
But see crackers, yeah.
Don't make them drop so hard because
Oh, if you buy 3 of them, they get. Me see them if you buy 3 of them, they're cheaper.
everything is cheap. Anybody hear that?
Oh, so take up one, take up that one. Now. Take a red one. Bread,
Bread what?
red wheat. You say 3 everything.
Well, we don't about it than the one before.
It don't really matter, so you try something now.
So this is wheat what we
Okay,
love.
no problem.
Don't play.
I don't like wheat no more. Wheat are for old people.
Anyways, I help you go buy health.
Health?
Health. I'm having this rice, sugar, oil, bread.
This it.
You want flour?
crackers.
Pick up one, so let me see.
Oh yeah, I want flour, I want peas and
Let me see.
such. So let's go.
No, hey,
Y'all, this is reality. Okay, I'm telling you something. It is not easy to go out and shop with Kim. One time he used to ease, but we don't know what happened to him. Over time, he just don't want to come and so ease off for me. He don't want to come and supermarket with me. Every time he come and supermarket, it's a problem. I'm just cannot be bothered. You understand? But let's go.
Alright, so people, so she sent me a problem to go out and shop with. You know, I don't no problem. As you can see, I'm not giving any trouble. You know, I just be honest and I just help out because at the end of the day, I okay all I with them. Some people problems.
You are a problem.
So she just not like when we talk the truth. That's all. Cause she come in the supermarket and waste time, waste the money, and she not take up the right things, them necessary things. Them.
Look here. Don't come on
I
here
open like on a bulk syrup.
and tell you people that out there wasting money. I'm tell you.
Rakisha waste money a lot.
Hello.
You don't want them on here? Sorry.
Nobody knows sardine. Can't bother with them. They don't make good nowadays.
Kim, no can food.
Yo, we can do a lime juice challenge again. Huh?
No can food.
So guys, if you're an old follower of us or a long time fan, you know that we once enter the lime juice competition. I won, rock clues.
That was terrible.
Rock always
No,
lose.
if you want to lose belly fat,
Wow, look at this. Where, no, like, why is that on the list? Come in, I want to push you go so and push you come back down.
like like lotion and them.
Alright, just go take a bit of lotion and come back. Jergens. Sorry. Alright, so Rakisha decided to buy a map bucket, but she confused because the thing them have the map squeezer, the color them different from the bucket. But it don't really matter. The idea it can get the job done.
Okay, but yeah, try it. Me want it. I think I got choose the yellow one.
So she got choose the cheaper one, them might look flimsy than the one that will look stronger. But
That looks stronger. That look more industrial.
she had about industrial. This one have a color yellow and black, which is regular.
No, it is.
Everybody have that.
Look. We don't even know if it's cheap. We don't know.
Look how this look on this compared to that. But guess what? Come on, want her to be happy. Come looking at the camera. Wait, looking at the camera. Want her to be happy. So when time this mash up people, when you break up, I will come video it and show you when she break it. So you can buy. Can maybe cheaper.
We don't know.
Alright, so I don't know if you not hear me, but something wrong with the audio. Some of the time, so. But as I say, still, this a part of me not like when you don't do your shopping, and you have to go your yard now. That the part get hectic, so that's how my car would have come in handy. You see me? So my car just sit down in my yard and do nothing. Me know I have to struggle with it on taxi. I could just throw them in my car and just boom, bam, bam, gone. Now wait for nobody and then I'm not stressed. But you don't know how it go. You just have to just wait again, start out it. Alright, so there's a difference when it comes to men shopping and women shopping. And if you all agree, just spam the comment and let me know. So it's not to bring down any women or bring down any man, alright, or men, but you the same time me go shop, me know exactly what me want. So I just pick up what I want and do what I have to do. Me now go look around to see other things which part me never plan to buy. Me just go take up what me do want and move. The most important thing. I mean now guess. That's all. If you know some more 2 pound I am or 4 pound I am, I just do that. Alright, Rakisha just a come here. See how long she take to come. To buy all the yam and banana and things. So let me say there's a difference.
One card. Why don't you say to them for me?
Say you take too long to shop.
No, the lady didn't have somebody else I deal with, so I had to wait.
And she always have
no
story.
patience.
You buy the phone card, right?
That's what I just said. Me not get to buy phone.
You see, if you forget to buy, so I think if you get to buy from
And when I come this summer,
look how long you up there. I make it stay, man.
No, me need to call it gas man.
Alright, come in. See Aruba card. Long time don't start up now wait.
Let me just go get your phone
Alright,
card.
go on.
You don't want to eat?
I want bulla. Go buy the bulla.
Because gas man will take long to come.
So me
You can't get one food up there.
me no really like the turn up with the things and move up and down. That I think.
No, you are stand with them, you not move again.
How long now they might take to share that food up or something?
Alright.
What you think?
You want to go up and left me?
Yes.
Go on then.
Alright, come, go in our car.
Because you're the, who will carry you? Aruba?
Yeah. Alright, so, I am back home, but I left Rakisha. Right. I think she's the one who's called me. Oh, young people. So we come a car deal. So, as I left Rakisha and I told discovered the told because after we buy everything, as me like explained to us, say, men shop different from women. Because men always know what they want. Women don't really know what they want. You know. At the moment, then decide what they want on spot. Me not have time for that. Me already know what I want and pick up what I want and come here. So when we do in the shop, Rakisha said she forget the phone card. Phone card is one of the most important things on the list. because that's how we have to get the gas. So, Rakisha forget the phone card. Me nah no time for wait for that, so me left her down there. I just so, if you don't want to see me wicked, so I just so and have to understand. Me just like to do what me have to do, get it done, and then go back to my place or go back to my yard. Because it's a serious time now, Corona is real, so as we say, Babylon make it out there and real. So we just have to just admit the fact that man shot better than woman. Even though man sometimes spend hard, but they know what they want. Sometimes. Isn't it so? What took you so long? What did I do?
I go back phone can and buy other stuff.
So you call him on it?
No.
So why you not call him? You don't have to come home to call him, make you call him from down there.
Me just want to come on for a road.
Really? Why it takes so long?
Because me go look some other stuff and me not get
Where did you go look?
stuff.
Like? Talk to me now.
Me go look stuff. Me not tell you that.
Alright, so, alright guys, so you see what happened? The same thing what I tell her that happened. So I know say she still got a lot of things. Right now she forget a lot of things.
No.
And I know that.
You have to get phone card when you're supposed to get. What's part of it now?
Yo,
I have phone card. Why? Have it all?
hey, why you this a story I go? So me update you know what the story go. Okay guys, so we just
Oh, I
done
made
it.
that one now.
We just done it, right?
Okay.
You don't have to come in here. But no one.
Video all about you today.
But no one, yeah.
Of course, people love me.
So, alright.
Comment down below if you love me, guys. If you love me.
So,
Rock.
no love me.
Rock.
Alright.
Comment below.
So, as I said, the video, we just done eat, right? Or ate.
Belly
Rakisha belly full. Me still eat one next plate because the food is small.
Kim just eat around the clock.
I know, around the
And
clock.
look at the limb them. Look.
There you go. Me telling already in a
Fine.
video this morning, say,
Fine, bad.
when me there, me not like some other men or some people. When they there in the yard, them and sit down and all, you know, then get really power weight. Me have to work hard to get really power weight. I just saw my body said. He said in a reverse. Right? But you what happen now?
Now give me good angle. Yes.
Nobody don't want to see.
Stay.
Alright. But you what happen now, people? The video come to an end right so you have to make a done the video. So if you don't enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And if you're new to the channel, better appreciate it if you know click the subscribe button and turn on the post notification for further updated posts like them. Because you know say we are a Jamaican vlogger and we surround our life with everyday things how we do. And we are showcasing to the world. So, I don't know. So Rakisha still love you know, even though we kind of cut her off, cut her off vlog out today.
Yes.
Because of her ways. She don't know what she wants when she got to
Yes,
come
she
out.
do.
She have her list right down and she still got some go think what she wants. And the list is in her hand, you know, but she has think what she wants.
Look,
Doesn't
we're
make no
not
sense
going
to
to do
me.
that, right?
Anyway, hope you girls or you
Love you
men are not
guys.
like that. So
Love you guys. We'll see you guys in our next video. Barely get to talk today, but it's okay. We talk all the time.
yeah, I'll just talk our story always long.
Alright, so stay tuned for more relationship updates and vlogs and all kind of posts. Bye guys.
Baba, you cut me off.